Welcome student, this is your geography class 8, chapter 2. Today we will discuss question answer of this chapter. Question number 1. Which are the two main climate factors responsible for soil formation? Answer. Temperature and rainfall are the two main climate factors responsible for soil formation. Both these factors promote weathering, that is breaking down of rocks. 2. Write any two reasons for land degradation today. Two reasons for land degradation are large-scale destruction of forest cover, excessive use of chemical pesticide and fertilizer in agricultural land. 2. Why is land considered an important resource? Answer. Land is considered an important resource because it can be used for various purposes like agriculture, forestry, mining, building house, roads, setting up industry. It also serves as the habitat for the variety of flora and fauna. 4. Name any two steps that government has taken to conserve plant and animals. Answer. Two steps that government has taken to conserve plants and animals are establishment of national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserve to protect our natural vegetation and wildlife. For example, Jim Corbett National Park is Uttarakhand. Putting a ban on killing of lions, tiger, deer, great Indian bustard and peacocks. 5. Suggest 3 ways to conserve water. Water can be conserved by the following 3 ways. Rainwater harvesting systems should be used to collect the rainwater and store it for future use. The canal used for irrigating fields should be properly lined to minimize losses by water seepage. Afforestation should be promoted to slow the surface runoff and replenish the groundwater. Take the correct answer. Question number 1. Which one of the following is not a factor of soil formation? Soil texture. 2. Which one of the following method is most appropriate to check soil erosion on steep slopes? C. Terrace cultivation. 3. Which one of the following is not in favor of the conservation of nature? C. Dispose poly bags after shopping. Match the following. Land use. C. Productive use of land. 2. Humus. Organic matter deposit on topsoil. Rock dams prevent soil erosion. A. 4. Arable land. B. Narrow zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. State whether the given statements are true or false. 1. Ganga-Brahmaputra plain of India is an overpolluted region. True. Plains and river valley offer suitable land for agriculture, hence these areas are densely populated. 2. Water availability per person in India is declining. True. Due to the ever-increasing population wastage of water, body deforestation, there is a rapid decrease in the availability of water. Rows of trees planted in coastal area to check the wind movement is called intercropping. False. Rows of trees planted in the coastal area to check the wind movement are called shelter belt, whereas intercropping is the process in which different crops are grown in alternate rows and are sown at different times to protect the soil from rainwater. 4. Human interference and changes of climate can maintain the ecosystem. False. Human interference and climate changes adversely affected the ecosystem. This is the end of this video. Your homework. Write down the question answer in your geography copy and learn the question answer Match the following. Take the correct answer and true and false. If you have any doubt, please let us know. We will try to clear your doubts in another video. अगर आपको कोई संदेह है तो कृपया करके हमें बताइए। हम अगले वीडियो में आपके संदेह को दूर करने का प्रयास करेंगे।